So welcome back again guys to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna discuss about plotting of functions using PyPlot in Google Colab. So in today's upload, we're gonna have learning objectives. At the end of this activity, the student will be able to plot different types of functions, represent functions in different plots, and plot multiple functions. So let's begin with number 1 of the problem given by our teacher in activity 3, hands-on. So plot the points 0, -3, 1, 4, 2, 8, 3, 4, 4, 0, 5, 7, which this part of this set of points 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the x-axis or x values, and this part of the set of points -3, 4, 8, 4, 0, 7 are the y values or the y-axis of the given plot. So in this problem, our teacher is demanded us to graph three types of plot, which namely are scatter plot, line plot, and bar plot. So in this given code that I inputted, so I inputted the x values here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the y values are -3, 4, 8, 4, 0, 7. So plt plot that scatters, because we're gonna plot a scatter graph. So we're gonna give our graph a title, namely plot of all points. So plot dot label our x-axis and label y-axis, and we're gonna give it a grid and show the graph. So same as here, but we changed the scatter into plot and added the -0 to give it the color of the given line. And here at the bar, we changed the dot scatter into plot dot bar, which has a width of equal to 0.5 of x and y values. So same here, x label x-axis, y label y-axis, grid, values of grid, and plot dot show. So let's run the code. So as you can see here, it took a while. So as you can see here, plot of all points. So we have a grid here, and as this is the given output of the scatter plots of our set of values in given pie plot of the given set of points. So here, as you can see here, 0, -0, -3, so 1, 4, 2, 8, 3, x-axis, y-axis is at 4 and 4, 0 and 5, 8, y-axis. So moving on to the line plot. So it's still the same as the scatter plot, but we just connected all the dots here at the graph. And same here, same at the bar, but has a width of 0.5. Oh, plot using I changed this into bar using bar graph. It's to label the so as you can see here, bar graph. So moving on to problem number 2, plot the function of the given equation. So this given equation, we need to import matplotlib.py plot as plt or plot, import numpy as np. So value of x is equal to np lin space to -4 to 2, +2, which has an x label of time and y label of value, and a title of. So this is the equation. plot of y equals to x squared, and we put a grid, and we will tell the Colab to plot x raised to -3 times x squared, which has our red label, two dashes red and label of this given equation, and a green label which has a given equation, x raised to 2 minus 2 2x plus 1, and we'll put a legend so that we could identify which equation represents what line. So let's run the code. So as you can see here, we have a legend. The broken line represents here R double dash, just broken line, red, and G stands for green, as you can see here, and it is labeled at the legend so that we could clearly identify what our functions and what its value. So moving on to number 3, plot of logarithmic functions. So same as number 2, we import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. So same here, but our x label is x-axis, y label y-axis in grid, and we'll have a sin cosine and sin of broken lines, and b for cosine. So let's run the code. So as you can see here, this is the value of our cosine inside. The color blue represents the cosine, and the broken line of red is represented by sine. So as you can see here, it's at the wave pattern with a given value of sine to cosine. So number 4 is plot of a subplots. So same as the number above. So you can see here, NP line space x equals to 1 to x equals to 4. So we have a subplot of 2 to 1 1. So this is our subplot. So let's run the code. So as you can see here, I labeled the second subplot here as stars, broken stars, color green, and the first subplot as color red. So my conclusion from this activity is that inputting a code in Colab can determine and automatically determine which given of functions plotted in a graph, and Colab will do the rest for you and visualize it through our input codes, because we imported this one pyplot as plt import, so that Colab will know what to value and what to plot in the graph. That's all. Thank you, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.